Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of XM Update. Post the pandemic, there's been a huge surge in the adoption of digital billboards across the country. This is mainly due to increased engagement and effectiveness of ads and information via digital billboards as compared to static ones. We recently installed India's largest digital billboard for a leading OOH media company in Mumbai who wanted a digital billboard to 6x their revenues and join the DOOH revolution. Xtreme Media installed its best-selling outdoor LED display series Rigel Plus of 5.9mm pixel pitch. The die-cast aluminum cabinet make it light and slim. It is protected with IP65 front and back. High contrast ratio of 5000:1 and high brightness of up to 5500 nit offer a mesmerizing picture quality, thus catching the attention of everyone on the road. Along with an exceptional 7-year warranty, Xtreme Media also packed the screen with vigilant technology, an online tool to remotely monitor the health of the screen to ensure long-lasting performance. The client was super impressed with Xtreme Media's built-to-last product quality, innovation, and service. That brings us to the end of this episode. See you in the next one.